680 gang, it's your girl Chocho. Welcome back to another video. And today's video, obviously you can see we're gonna make Chinese bao, or from back home we know them as siopao. Alright, so let's get to the video. Alright, we're gonna saute some onions first. Your ground pork, today I use ground pork. You can use ground chicken or ground beef, but today I chose to use ground pork. We're gonna put some salt, some black pepper, break it up, stir it up, whatever you want to call it, and then we're gonna put some chicken broth. Alright, and the next step is just the mixture of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Chinese wine, and some sugar. I'm about to pour it out. In the ground pork, the dark soy sauce is the one that gives it that dark color. And I used the same bowl and I mixed some cornstarch just so it can thicken it up a little bit. Alright, we're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna let it simmer down till it's nice and thick. So you're gonna put it on low and let it simmer down for a few minutes, and then we'll be back. Alright, so it's thickening up a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and go check on our Chinese bao dough to see if it's risen. So obviously it's still rising, so we're gonna let it rise again. I put it outside just because my house is cold. So yeah, and you can see that it's thickening up very well. So we're gonna turn it off and then let it cool down a little bit, and we're gonna put it on a plate just so it doesn't keep cooking on the hot pan. Alright, so the dough looks about ready, but I'm just gonna deflate the air again and let it rise again just so we get a nice fluffy cloud bread. And I'm having some palau breakfast, some bacon, eggs, and rice. You know how it goes. Some soy sauce on the rice and some sides of cucumber. Alright. Alright, so the dough looks like it's about ready. So we're gonna go ahead and start making the siopao. Alright, so I'm just putting the dough back in the mixer and cover it up while I make them, just so it doesn't dry out. Alright guys, don't judge how my siopao looks like, because I'm still learning how to roll them up nicely, but it's a process. Alright guys, so here it is, the end result. I know they're not the best of shape. I'm still perfecting that, but right now we're gonna cover it again, let it sit for a second, or about 20 minutes. Let it sit, and then rice again so we get that nice, soft, airy bread. Yep, they're all nice and fluffy. They all double the size, so it should be ready to go now. Alright, so let's rewind that and then replay it again to see the difference. So this is the dough after I just finished rolling them up. We're gonna let it sit and take its time to get fluffy just like me. Alright, and so this is after 20 minutes. You can see they're nice and fluffy, and they're gonna be nice and soft and airy. So right now I'm just gonna put them in a steamer. And remember, the water was boiling, so I'm pretty sure it's ready by now. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in the steamer. I'm using coffee filters just because I don't have wax paper. And then we're gonna fill them. I'm putting 4 at a time just so it don't stick to each other. And then we're gonna bring it to the stove and let it do its magic. How it looks. Alright, they look like they're about done. So let's take them out and see. Alright, so here it goes. Here's the first batch. Looking good, looking a little bit alien-like, but that's okay. As long as it tastes good, but we'll see how it tastes. So we'll go ahead and put these other ones in. And we'll be right back. Alright, 680 gang, there you have it. It's your girl Chocho. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media. And thank you guys again for your love and support. And see you guys on the next video. Bye.